My dear viewers, my greetings and also my wishes to all of you watching my channel, that is Jacinda Spoken English channel, with videos and shorts. Many videos, maybe numbering to thousands, for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, even 12 minutes videos are there. So when you are interested, for 12 minutes even we have published videos. So if you are interested, if you are committed to make your spoken English better, please watch this channel with all the videos. Listen to them and take down some notes. There is some proper words and phrases, even questions and answers, which you think are can be suitably used in your day-to-day dialogue in different situations, speaking to different persons, discussing about different topics. For all these, we need proper words and phrases. If we are thorough with our words and phrases, we can feel confident to speak about any topic in the midst of our friends and relatives or in our work area. All of us now in this modern world like to converse, like to talk, like to have simple day to day dialogue in English only. Apart from our mother tongue, mostly all of us know English. To make our spoken English better, watch these videos, listen to these videos, and make your spoken English better and better, and can be made an excellent one. All of us like to be called as good in everything. The way we talk, the way we get ready, the way we dress up, the way we mingle with people, the way we discuss with others, the way we work, and the way we walk. For everything, we expect the comment good. And all of us enjoy the word good. Now, all of us are very, very well happy to hear the word good in everything, in all avenues of life, in all aspects, everywhere and anywhere we go, we like to listen to such comments, the comments, the compliments given by others to us. We enjoy that. For that, we have to make ourselves good, better, and even excellent. So watch these videos and listen to them and take down some points, dear viewers. So today, something little thoughts, little hints we can have. No, when we talk with our friends, we like to ask many questions. So we have done several questions, all WH words questions: when, where, what, which, who. All these are there. So now with all these, we can form questions and ask our friends: when did you come here? What did you do so long? What were you doing in that city? Or what are you planning to do now? What are you going to do for the holidays? What is your plan? All these we ask. With whom are you staying? After coming to our hometown, with whom are you staying? We ask. Our friend may answer, with my aunt and uncle. How long are you planning to be there? That is about the time. How long? So in that way, we ask many questions. What are you going to do? What is your plan? When will you start your business? When can we meet? That is also there. That is one of the points among the friends. When our good old friends find a chance to meet, we make chances. We create opportunities to meet, to discuss, and to share our thoughts and views with our friends and relatives. And we enjoy that time, no? It is always a joyful moment. Please note the difference when we talk and when we write also: moment and movement. Movement is about moving, the word noun form of moving. So that particular moment is good. That particular time, for that only we say that moment. I was really thrilled at that moment when I happened to meet my professor in that wedding house, an aged person, a good old professor, whom we have always admired. So that particular moment was really a very happy one, was a real happy occasion for me to meet my professor. So in that way, We talk with our friends about so many matters, about our school lives, college life, about our professional world, even about our visit to different places. All these we discuss when we are with our friends, even with our relatives, with our cousins, or with our neighbors. Wherever we go, whenever we meet different people, we like to talk to them about so many matters. So have a good storehouse of words, that is vocabulary, and also have a little knowledge, at least good knowledge of grammar. Grammatical rules must be applied to the proper words. Then only then, our conversation will be good, appealing, acceptable, memorable, and also will get lot of appreciation from others, and we enjoy that. So dear viewers, watch these videos of Jisna Spoken English channel. Give your comments for our betterment to make our spoken English an excellent one. Bye for today.